Oh, fine. Fine, I'll start the fucking stream. Poor man. These guys always just sat here waiting for me to start streaming, like... I don't even know. Alright, it's getting old, chat. Look. We are here. I'm early today, chat. I'm early, so if you want me to start the stream, press that fucking like button right now. Alright. Here it goes, chat. Listen. How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the streams. Should we start here? Chat, I'm about to do the SpongeBob thing. I can't hear you. Okay, chat. My favorite show is on. Yes, sir. In 3, 2, 1. Chat, what is good, man? Try to make it a bit louder. Listen. Welcome back to the streams, everybody. What's good? What's popping? Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. All of the above. Sit down. Fucking shut up and listen, all right? It's time for us to go. We've got the pink monster on deck. How's everybody doing? What's good? Mighty Meat. What's good? Candle Wizard. Bedge. Oh, no, I've lost the chat. It's disappeared. I pressed the wrong button. What's good? Jar. Just watched the Tom visit. Hey, bro. Chat. I dropped a new vlog yesterday. It's pretty goated, I can't lie. Make sure you go watch it, man. It's a good one. What's good? Mummy's crazy. What's good? Smarty. Ewan. High Life. Gareth, what's good? Who else is here, chat? Tony. Free Flow State. Oh, gang's here today, chat. What is good? Gold is... Oh, I thought we were ripping down, but we're starting to form a little rejecty here. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. All right, chat. What's good, Dylan? What's good, Sam Meat? Victory settings. Let me get this. Let me drink that slurp juice. Listen. Let's drop a like on the stream, chat. Let's get 30 fucking likes before we even get it going. Energy in the chat. I like to see it. I like to see it, man. It's a Tuesday right now. A lot of potential. Time to get education. Getting rich and leaving. That's a good shout, Tony. I can't lie. Getting rich and leaving is the move. Chat, it's a big day today, though. It is a big fucking day. We've got CPI. CPI is a big one. Give me 1 second. Still here. I'm just off screen chat. All right, cool. Cool. What's good, Rays? Damien as well. Can't even spell education. EEDTRLS. That's what education is spelled. Listen, CPI today, chat, in 50 minutes. So that's going to be a big news event. The first big news event we've had in a while, to be honest. We haven't had one for a little bit. Holy shit, I look tanned in this white tank top. Yeah, chat, it's going to be a big one. TRLS on top is very, very true. How's everyone doing, man? What are you guys up to? How's your week been so far? How's Tuesday been? You guys got any positions? We did just sweep some liquidity as well. Holy skibs. A lot of opportunity here, chat, today. So let's jump into a little bit of an analysis here. Chat, we got some clean buys yesterday as well, and they played out, but we closed break even, so that is okay. Why does it still say 52 pips? Trades taken yesterday was BE, or 82 pips, sorry. We'll leave that from yesterday. But yeah, look, so jumping into the analysis right now, chat. We had a weekly time frame here. Closed bullish previously. Daily time frame yesterday closed bearish, sort of back into the range. There's no gaps on that candle at all, right? Apparently, the weekly time frame on FX closed no bottom wick yesterday, which is very interesting. So you have a daily trend play, which is mad. Hopefully, we can expect to see a push up here. You did tap into a few key levels down here towards the bottom of the range. Weekly time frame, obviously, if this flips, you're going to go to the moon, right? I don't see why not. But again, we have CPI in a little bit, so we might be waiting for that as well. Dropping down to the 4 hour, you have essentially a range here being made. The 1 hour is genuinely the range of doom. Chat, we have the ROD right here, the rod. Range of doom, honestly, not the best. But if we're looking at plotting levels here, The hourly actually did close respecting, and it pushed down no bottom wick here, and you are now flipping. You swept all of the lows pretty much, and you're now rejecting. So can we grab some buys up to fill this range here, back up towards, I would say, a minimum of 34.05, maybe even higher, to be truly honest. You do have another level up here as well, which would probably be around 34.12 if I'm not mistaken. You could even put it here, to be honest, for a closure back above 34.10. Let's take a look if that's valid here to the left. Yeah, it actually is, chat. After 34.10 as well, you have room all the way up to towards 34.20. Now, essentially, what we could look for here is a nice little sky dweller after grabbing liquidity, take the buyers up. We are still bearish though, so don't get too excited about that. We need confirmation on everything, right? So, chat, it's patience time right now. But what I would say is, if you do decide to close below this area right here at 33.93, you have a lot of room down. You're probably going to see a fill down towards 85 is a very good level, actually. Towards 85.1. That's going to be like your target for these sells here. But look at where you just tapped into, chat, and rejected from. 85, pretty much on the dot, right? So maybe that's the rejection for the day. Who knows? Buys are going to be above 34.05 to take us up towards 34.10. Even higher towards 34.20 if we close above there. And yeah, chat, listen, that's going to be it. Very simple analysis. We're just waiting for a simple confirmation in terms of direction. Yesterday, we had a break-even trade to start off the week. I think that trade was extremely well managed, chat. So let's see if we can apply the same discipline and principles to the trades today. If you do understand the analysis, chat, make sure you drop a like. And if you don't understand the analysis, then ask me a fucking question about it, right? What's the point of being here if you're not going to ask questions and try and learn? Yeah, chat, listen, that's it, man. But listen, how are you guys doing? Did you guys get any positions today? Anyone taking anything pre-New York, pre-London, pre-New York? Let me know. Or yesterday as well. A lot of you guys, I think, held the trade that we had on stream, which is the W if you did, so congrats. What do you think about order blocks? I don't trade with them, so I don't really know. I'm not gonna say anything. Maybe they're good, maybe they're not, but for me, they're a bit unnecessary in my opinion. Chat, I had a really big meeting this morning as well. I had a really big meeting this morning with I can't tell you who. Someone though who's gonna make me a lot of money potentially. Nah, I don't know, but chat, big things coming with TRLS, man. Big things. I'm in a long right now in XAU. Nice. Hopefully it plays out. What's good, Raze? Me? Yeah, it was with Raze. HMRC. Don't talk to me about HMRC, please. Don't talk to me about HMRC, chat. Look at this text. Look at this text I got. Oh my God. We recently wrote to you about your HMRC account. To make a payment, click here. I'm not in the fucking country. That's the payment made. Anyway. Chat, 15-minute close back into the range here. Hourly flipped. Wow. Okay. Opportunity doors here, chat. I don't know what an opportunity door is, but it's one of them. What's good, Badge? Usually trade on the 5-minute or the 15-minute? I trade on every single time frame from the 5-minute all the way up to the hourly. We use multi-time frame analysis, right? I don't trade on any specific time frame. We use all of them to build a 3-dimensional picture of price. And then we go ahead and we actually make some fucking money. Clipton said to HMRC, you'll be hearing from them soon. Thank you very much. Holy shit. What's good there? Yeah, welcome to the stream, brother. Crazy name. Listen, chat. So much potential here. So fucking much. I'm going to take a long if the 1 hour will be a rejection candle. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. I think the longs, if this 1 hour closes bullish, are a no-brainer. To be honest, we'll probably look at something like this, right? It might fill the range before we get the opportunity to take it, though. But you'd look at something like this, right? A little 1-to-1 fill in the range. Doesn't look too bad. Probably going to go up. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, chat. What's good, Edson? Welcome back, brother. How's it going, man? Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. So much potential here today. We're going to see if we can try and grab a position here very shortly. You got 12 minutes to the hourly close. Maybe we can have a short stream today, chat. Maybe we can be done before CPI even comes into effect. Get a nice little closure, respecting the level, respecting these lows. Every time you've done that in the past, chat, what do? This time you tapped into the high, you came up all the way to minimum 98. This time you tapped into the low, you filled the range all the way up. This time you filled it up. This time you came a bit lower, to be honest, but then filled it up. This time you filled the range and then pushed, tapped into the level, then pushed all the way up. This time the same. So chat, if we do reject here, 85 is a good level to be rejecting from. So yeah, better now, brother, and yourself? I'm good, bro, but I got like 4 hours sleep last night. I can't lie. Not even that, actually, like 3 and a bit. So I'm running on low. I'm running on these right now, chat. Can't lie. Because basically I had to pick up Tom from the airport yesterday. So chat, you might be getting another vlog. You know, you will be getting another vlog. You don't know. But yeah, I had to pick him up from the airport at like fucking 2 a.m. because he's a cheapskate and got a late ass flight. And then I had a business meeting at like 9 o'clock this morning, so I had to be up bright and early as well. Fucking nightmare. WVid, hey, thank you, Gaminado. What's good, brother? Yeah, chat, the vlog yesterday. If you guys haven't seen the vlog I dropped yesterday, make sure you watch it after stream. Fire video. What's good, Wilner? Welcome back to the chat, brother. Chat, listen, 75 of you in here, man. Drop a like on the stream. Let's get it going, man. I'm super excited for this. So much potential here. But yeah, chat, this vlog yesterday was... Pretend I wasn't watching that. This vlog yesterday was crazy. So much. Not even value, just entertainment. Fucking hilarious. Look at this. It's a movie, chat. Nah, come on. 809? What happened to 809? The backflip. The worst backflip ever. Fucking terrible. Iron Apper? Fuck Iron Apper as shit. The vlog was so cool, makes me want to move to Cyprus. Do it, bro. Tax. Sun. Good food. Everything. W vlog, by the way. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it, man. Chat, listen, if you watch the vlogs, make sure you drop a comment, man. I like to see you guys, whether you're enjoying it or not. Even if you don't enjoy it, right? Give me some feedback. I'm only going to get better if you guys say, oh, yo, SG, this time do that, you do that, whatever. Why are you rubbing another man's back? Bro, I put no homo in the video, or my editor did, so you can't blame me. If I put no homo in the vid, it's no homo. But all right, chat, look, we're flipping here. 5-minute close bullish. Like doji, but pretty strong bullish above the level. You have a 15-minute as well that's flipped here after grabbing a bottom wick. 1 hour closing in 9 minutes, chat. If we can get a nice little close here in that 9 minutes time, we're gonna be sick, chat. There's a lot of opportunity here. A lot of opportunity. Chat, so basically the plan would be if we do close leaving a top wick, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be off rip here. There's no reason it shouldn't rip back up to fill the range. And then we can be done by the time CPI comes out. If we're still in by the time CPI comes out, hopefully we'd either be risk-free, or if we're in drawdown, you'd obviously have to close out, right? That would be the plan, but yeah, we can wait. What do you think about, like, say you want to move out from your parents, but they don't want you to? So, like, in that situation, what you're doing? I don't think any parents want you to move out, right? But the point is, you have to move out eventually, right? You have to live your own life. You have to become an independent human, and when you move out, that's what happens. You actually are going to grow as a person. It's way better for you. And at the end of the day, your parents want you to be the best version of yourself you can, right? They only want the best for you. So they'll support you eventually, man. And if they don't, sometimes they think they know the best for you, but they actually don't. I'll be in Cyprus this time next year beating you at Padel, bro. No chance. Love your parents, but don't rely on them. Yeah, and also you don't have to take your parents' word as like the truth. I think a lot of us growing up think we know we think our parents know everything, right? But in reality, it's your parents' first time living too, right? They're just humans the same as you. So sometimes you are going to know better than them, right? Like if I listened to everything my parents do or said, I'd probably be in a much different situation. Now, my parents are the most supportive parents I think you could get. In fact, they were supportive when I dropped out of being a solicitor, right? When I quit my job, they were very supportive. I think they were probably worried inside, but you know, chat, sometimes the parents, essentially, they have a lot more to lose, right? The thing I'm trying to say is they have a lot more to lose. You know, they have kids, they have a mortgage, they have whatever, they have jobs. So for them, taking a risk is a lot more of a risk than you, because you know you can always move back to your parents, right? But they don't have that same option. So they're naturally going to be a little bit more conservative, a little bit more cautious. You have to understand that it's their first time living as well, and they don't necessarily know better than you, right? And a lot of things they will do, right? Don't get me wrong, I asked my dad for fucking everything, like, especially with this new business that I'm sort of, kind of give it a hint there, but with this new thing that I'm sort of doing shortly, I'm on the phone to my dad every day, like, yo, what do you think is a good idea with this? What do you think is a good idea with this? Because certain things, they have more experience and they know better, but certain things, they also don't, right? I wouldn't ask my dad for trading advice because he doesn't know how to trade. Like, are you married or engaged yet? No, but soon. Soon come. Soon come, soon come. He told you to hire me as well? Yeah, exactly. My dad said hire Raise, he's a good guy. Hired Raise, and now Raise makes me $1 million a month, right? So, you know, how long have you been together? Oh, my go? 3 and a bit, 4 years, something like that. This looks like the setup yesterday. Yeah, it does. But this time we got more liquidity, actually. Even more liquidity. Where was the setup yesterday? Here, right? Was it there? It was, no? Or am I tripping? How do I forget where my own setups were? Yeah. See, it played out, but then it also did reverse. So, I don't know. But chat, look, we have 6 minutes, which is not very long here to the hourly close. Realistically, there's no reason we shouldn't fill the range here. You're breaking structure on the 5 as well, closing above most recent. 15 minute, grabbed a lot of liquidity. I think we're going to be off rip here, chat. I don't think there's any reason for it to... I mean, it might need to come down a bit. We can do the same thing again that we did yesterday, right? We'll enter like with a half risk position. And then if it gets to bottom wick, we'll enter with the rest, right? Let me log into my broker. Wait, what? Okay. All right, whatever. Yesterday's was 35.52 on FX, yeah. Chat, 5 minutes here till the close. Let's see if we can get a position here. A lot of potential right now. A lot of opportunity. Chat, can we make 10 mil real quick? Just 10 mil, please. Please, Mr. Market Maker. I want to make a milli. You know what I mean? Chat, do you know what I mean? That's the fucking question. Chat, I also recorded another video yesterday. You guys are going to love. I've got 2 new videos coming out this week as well. You can never say I don't spoil you guys, chat. I literally spoil the living daylights out of you lot. So much content I'm giving you guys, literally for free. But listen, chat, 81 of you in here, only 29 likes. What is going on? 50 likes on the stream or I'm not taking this position. All right, I'm not going to take a position unless we got 50 likes on the stream. How about that? That's the deal. I think that's only fair. I'm giving you a free money, basically. Not really, but you get the point. 50 blood clot likes. All right, 4 minutes, chat. Are you in this? No, not yet. But this is what we're looking for, right? We're looking for a nice little closure in 4 minutes here. With a top wick. It looks even better on FX, to be honest. To me, that looks like a lot of liquidity. Then you got a Sky Dweller play printing, right? To be honest, I would like a bottom wick, but again, I don't think it needs one necessarily. I'm in still. I'm ill still. Oh, I thought you said you were in. Why are you ill? Probably the food you eat, bro. You eat the most diabolical food I've ever seen, so that makes sense why you'd be ill. It was bound to happen at some point. Bound to happen. All right, chat. 3 minutes. The one thing we don't want is it to push up now. If it pushes up now, it's a bit difficult. If it pushes up and then retraces, yeah, sure. But if it rips up now, it's going to be quite difficult. SG, yeah, what, Eugene? What? What do you want, huh? Chat, should we have a fight? 3 minutes. Maybe we can be done before CPI. That'd be so nice. Can you charge my phone for me? Just plug it in, bro. Plug it in. I got a portable charger, don't worry. Core CPI, CPI month on month, and CPI year on year. Interesting, chat. It's going to be probably a big news event today. Most are expecting an increased inflation leading into an increase in gold prices. I don't know, man. I don't know anything about fundamentals, really. That's a lie. I do, but I don't read into, like, what they expect for CPI. I know a lot about, you know, basic macroeconomics, all that sort of stuff, but I don't apply it to my trading. I'm purely trading off of technicals, right? I don't think you really need fundamentals as much. Chat, this would be a nice closure right here. If you close like this would be really nice. Okay, chat. What we don't want to do is be in for CPI, right? That's the one thing we don't want. We're 30 minutes before CPI right now. So for me, that's like enough time for us to be able to probably get out of the position. But you want to make sure that we're still moving, you know? 2 minutes, chat, though. Lock it in. Start to focus up here. So much potential right now. Can we get a nice little trade here, chat? Can't lie, because I only got 3 or 4 hours sleep yesterday, I would love an early stream right now. Not that I don't like talking to you guys. I do, don't get me wrong, but I would love to finish the stream nice and early. I can't lie. Can you make me a tea, maybe a biscuit too? You know what, Eugene, if you're lucky, this trade plays out, I'll deliver you a biscuit. I'll Uber Eats you one to your gaff. But then that means you're gonna have to tell me your address. And I'm also gonna send around shotters. What's good, Spion? Bro's late. I understand, bro. I also did not sleep well. All good, man. Listen, we're young. You can afford to not have some sleep. Chat, 1 minute left. Don't close weak like that, man. What are you doing? But look at the way we broke structure, chat. What size are we going to have to enter here? By 10. Is that right? Oh, we can maybe go for a 15 ski. So we'll start with 7 off the bat. Yeah, we'll start with 7 off the bat. If it closes decently bullish, I think. So let's see, chat. 27 seconds. Break even's gonna be like here. Yeah, up here somewhere. All right, chat. I got in a buy right now. Just jumped in a buy position here, expecting this to fill the range upwards. Again, I'm half risk, right? I'm half risk. So if this comes down, I'm going to be entering another position as we come towards the lows. Okay, makes sense? We did pop up first. We got a terrible entry here, I'm not going to lie. But luckily, we went with the half risk straight off the bat. So, I mean, yeah, hopefully this plays out. If we come down and retest the level, we'll probably enter the second position. Yo, we just jumped up like 30 viewers the moment I jump in a trade. Why is it always like that, eh? Always like that, no? Terrible fill though, chat. We jumped up on the open. So I'm half risk right now, chat, just to reinforce that. Because I'm thinking if we come down towards like 93 here, we'll jump in another position. Not another position, the rest of my risk, right? The same position size, just the rest of my risk. Someone's got a secret group, I'm telling you, bro, they must do. Chat, for you guys who just jumped in, you little pip and dippers trying to catch a trade, make sure you like the stream, right? If you haven't liked the stream, you're not allowed to take the trade. That's the rule. I'm going to find you as well. I've got Eugene hunting you all down. We'll make a Billy though, chat, real quick. It shouldn't really struggle here, to be honest. Got so much liquidity. So much liquidity. We did get a really bad fill though, I can't lie. Chat has a bottler on entering a trade. Must do, bro. You actually must do. Structure looks good on every single time frame, right? 5 minute looks good. The 15 closed nicely. 30 minute closed well. 1 hourly closed well. You grabbed a shitload of liquidity, sweeped all the previous lows. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Again, I'm in a very small position here. Top wick first and hasn't got a decent bottom wick, so I'm not in. Hasn't got a decent bottom wick. Just 103 pip bottom wick. Something tiny, just a small, tiny little bottom wick. 103 pips. I don't know about you, but I've been told that's average size. I see it's a nice sky dweller, but is it valid to not take because of news? Yeah, it's valid. If you don't want to take it because of news, that's fair. We're sort of understanding you got 30 minutes till news, right? Most of my trades are way under 30 minutes. So we're even going to be out, or if we're still in just before news, I'll probably close in a bit of drawdown, right? Chat, but look at this. It's still got a wick. In fact, let's put our break even to the wick fill. Oh, we'll do here. We'll do here. You've still got the wick to fill on the 2 hour. Look at that 2 hour. That's a nice little wick there that it's left for us. So we should fill into. Coming down here. I think if we get to like, we'll make it down here towards 93. It will be like the wick entry for the rest of the position. In fact, wait. Yeah, something like that. That's the previous candle. Yeah, but it doesn't just not count because it's the previous candle, right? The liquidity's not just vanished. It's still there, right? Chat, see, this still looks good, man. This is still technically a bottom wick. In my opinion, at least. 4 minutes into the candle here. If this flips and breaks the highs, you're extremely bullish, right? Extremely, extremely bullish. Just trying to figure out where we can get that second entry from. I think down here somewhere. Is it bad? I kind of want it to push down so I can get a second entry. I mean, it's not a second entry. Whatever. You drank the pink monster? Yeah, chat, we got the good luck pink monster. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, Spion. We've still got the pink monster. Listen, 100 of you in here, man. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. CPI in 30 minutes. Yeah, I know. This flips and drives. Can you order me lunch? I'll order you a Happy Meal. Nah, not really. Chat, by the way, if you're not already, make sure you join the Discord, man. It's completely free. And it's where, essentially, I'm most active with my community, helping you guys out as much as possible. As well as that, we just got a load of traders in there trying to become profitable or that are already profitable, helping each other out. Such a valuable asset to have, man. So make sure you jump in there. Very, very important. Have a buy stop now on the rebreak of the highs, but the only problem I see is the 1 hour close, no top wick, and we can easily fill the wick to the downside. The 1 hour did not close no top wick. Did it close no top wick on FX? No, it has a top wick on everything. We've got top wicks. We're good. That's like, how big is that? 15 pip top wick, something like that. Cannot join Discord. Why? What's it saying? Chat, this is a perfect sky dweller right here. The only thing that might affect it is going to be news, right? That's the only real thing that I can see affecting it. Tapping back into the level here. You know what we could do as well, chat? We could potentially have like a buy stop on the flip as well to double the position in profit and then put our stops like below here. So we'd be risking total of like 500 bucks, which is like a couple of 0.3% or something, using current candle lows if it flips from here. I think that'd be valid, to be truly honest, but I want a Happy Meal too. Hopefully if you win this trade, you can buy yourself a Happy Meal, right? Holy skibs, chat. I just don't want us to do what we did yesterday and just freeze. Like, bro, if we just stay still, it's going to be annoying. But, chat, like yesterday, we know how to manage trades effectively. To be honest, if you wanted to, you could even hold the position through news, but I wouldn't advise it. I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see where we are. If we're like near break even, then maybe, right? Because the likelihood you get wicked out or like slipped is going to be way lower. If you're like right by stops, I'll probably close, right? How come you're trading before CPI? Just wondering, does it not matter? It does, but it's 30 minutes before. Normally my trades are like from anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So we're normally out by that time. But I do understand that obviously CPI is coming. If we get close to it, we'll look to maybe manage. We'll see how we're going. Do you trade news? No. What do they expect for news though? I'm also on a funded that I don't care about too much. So if it does come to it, we could hold through news. It's not like I'm risking this on my own personal money, right? This is just a live funded account. So I mean, we'll see. I don't advise it, obviously. What's good, Rules Explainer though? Welcome to the chat, man. Wait, so what do they expect for CPI? They're expecting higher than previous. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. We need it to be lower than 0.3. If there would not be news, I would enter here. Yeah. We don't care about trading. We grow in trading. Do you agree with that? Yeah, the less you care about it, the better you can be at trading, right? The more nonchalant, the more essentially it doesn't matter, the better you're going to get at trading. The one thing I hate about trading on TradingView, it's very good, but it's quite delayed in terms of where the price is. If you look on like, it's a couple of seconds, right? But it still can make a decent difference. I don't know if I want to add more to this just yet. Look at the structure, chat. It's still so good. Like you've definitely had a change in structure right now. You know, you were making bearish price action on the 5 minute like this. You now closed above that high. You're now making a higher low here, in my opinion, to then continue up and do this, right? This is what I expect to see here. 5 minute flipping as well, chat. This could be very nice. This could be very, very nice. I got 2 different entries. I don't. I only have 1 entry. I mean, I entered the first position with half risk because I anticipated that we might come down for a bottom wick, which gives me an opportunity to add the rest of my position after you grab it, right? It's just something I've been testing out recently because a lot of the time we are in the right direction, but we miss the move because the bottom wick doesn't form and it just rips, especially after a lot of liquidity. So what I've been trying recently is half risk positions and then giving myself the opportunity to enter on a bottom wick with like the rest of the risk, if that makes sense. So right now in this trade, I'm literally risking 0.5%. But if I get the second entry, which is technically still 1 entry, right? I'll be risking just under 1%, basically. 5 minute closing here very shortly. Never mind, the drawing is off. Oh shit, yeah, my bad. Wait, let me change that. But by the way, the only reason I have my... Wait, actually... We can play this up towards the next range, actually. Let's extend the TP here towards these highs. Like that. Perfect. Nice. Chat, I'm going to take a second entry here. Right now. 5 minute close, no bottom wick. Next one just popped down quite aggressively. So I took a second entry, but it's the same entry, right? Because I'm now still only full risk. So make sure you're managing your account appropriately to the size of your account. Don't just stack entries for the sake of it if you're already over risked. This is just the second half of the same position. Full margin? Nah. Pineapple strategy? No, bro. It's still 1 trade, right? It's still 1 position. I just split my entry up. Doesn't make it 2 positions just because of that. So in total now, I'm going to be risking like, yeah, under 1%, like 0.8% on this. This 5 can flip though, chat. After closing no bottom wick, it's going to be really nice. So you look, tapped into the level and flipped. There you go. That's what we like, chat. So now if we can come up and fill these highs, in fact, if we break the current candle high, we'll probably move stops to break even. We'll be like 25 in profit at that point. Hopefully this is a nice little liquidity grab after that 5 flipped. All we need now is this 5 to close bullish. If it can do that, that's going to be so nice, chat. Then you got some bullish structure. Some more bullish structure, right? Let's see, chat. Now we've got an entry on the wick as well. Rather than being on the highs where we were, we've now got an entry on the wick. So you're gonna have a lot more potential here to get some nicer position, nicer runners if this decides to run, right? I'm not saying it will. It's not guaranteed. 15-minute closure here in 3 minutes as well, chat. Remember, right? You guys got to manage your risk to your account, right? I'm risking under 1% on this trade. Under 1%. So if this loses, I couldn't care less, right? But if you guys are suddenly risking 3, 4, 5, 6% and stressing, that's not my fault, unfortunately. Turn the aircon on. Get a little bit chilly in here so we can be relaxed rather than sweating our asses off in drawdown, eh, chat? I've risked 20%. Brazy work. Insane work. I wonder if I can trade news on Tradeify. I'm not trading news, but you actually can. You actually can as well. So I could hold this through news. If I had to, right? All right, interesting. My full risk is 10%, now 5. 10%'s a lot though, bro. Chat, listen, 120 of you in here right now. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Should at least be on 70 likes. Why is my aircon not working, bro? What's going on? All right, there you are. Chat, who's sweating right now? Who's like, oh shit, he's in drawdown. Oh no. Oh, we're gonna lose the trade. I'm gonna lose my house. I'm gonna lose my house. Chat goes a little bit. There's way less degeneracy when we're in drawdown, eh? It's so funny. The moment we go in drawdown, everyone gets a little bit more serious. 10% of 2,000 is 200. Welcome back to maths class with Gene. What's good today, Gene? How you doing, brother? Chat, 15-minute closing here in a minute's time. This 5 did flip. We'd like it to reflip here. That'd be really nice. If the 5 can flip and close bullish like that, that'd be really cool. Trump told me in DMs that he sends XAU. Luke, tell him to send it now, please. Give him a shout. Just be like, yo, my boy SG will send you half his profits if you just pump a little tweet about how good gold is to buy right now. What's the best website to calculate risk? If you want to calculate risk, you can use like just type in Forex lot size calculator. It's a good way to do it. If you're trading FX, right? If you're trading futures, you can just do it on TradingView, of course. Something like that, though. They're super easy to use. Someone's already in a position here. What's good, Moroccan? How's it going, brother? How much am I... Wait, I need to find my consistency here. What's TP? Okay, I need to actually chat. You can keep your TP towards the highs. I need to keep my TP... Wait. Where was it? Because I don't want to break my consistency rule. I don't want to get too big of a trade. So I'll probably just keep my TP here, to be honest. Is it good to have many layers? What do you mean, like layering into the market? I don't normally do it, but I've just entered a split position here. So I'm not like layering in really. I just entered half risk and then half risk again. You know? Chat, 15 wants to close below here. 15 closed no bottom wick, chat. That is very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. What is going to happen here? Just set it to liquidate your max profit in TradeIvate. That's what I did. Oh, that's what you mean. Yeah. I mean, that's not a bad idea, to be fair. That's not a bad idea, to be fair. Yeah, but I'm not going to log into TradeIvate right now. I'll do that after, though. Good shout, Ja. Chat, we're 0.3%, 0.2% down right now, actually. Scary times. You are getting a bit closer to news, which actually is quite scary. Talk to him again. He will tweet, but only if you get some trend. Wants to get jacked for the next press conference. We can give him some trend. I don't have a hookup, though. I don't know what that even is, actually. What is trend? Oh, chat. We're literally in the exact same situation we were yesterday. The exact same. Yesterday we closed when it got back to break even. Today I don't think we're going to do the same thing. I think we'll chill, depending on actually how close it is to news. But imagine again we close at break even just before news and then it just goes... And you'd be like, fuck. 15 minutes to CPI? Yeah, man, I know. I'll see how we're doing 5 minutes before and we can look to manage that way, right? SMT above, bro. Possible drop, maybe. Do you have 2 positions or why is there 2 blue arrows? Two blue arrows because my first entry was here and then the second half of the position was down here. So my average entry is right here, but it's one position, right? Like chat, basically I just split my entry in two. So chat, it doesn't mean that if I get a win, it's going to be double the pips or anything like that. It's just, I split my entry and like average the cost between the two. It's very simple. Are you trading evals or Apex XFAs? I mean, they're called Apex PAs, but I'm not actually trading on my Apex PAs. Yes, I do still trade them. They are, I'm not going to lie, pretty close to being preached though. So I will renew when they get a new phase because a few losses. This trade is being taken on a live Tradeovate account. So 150k, not Tradeovate, Tradeify, 150k funded Tradeify account. This trade has been taken on. But I've flipped here, but you're sort of struggling here. 15 no bottom wick, 5 no bottom wick as well. Where did we enter second here? Down here. Not a bad second entry. If we just got that entry, we probably would have been chilling. But again, chat, c'est la vie. C'est la vie, right? Drawdown warriors right now, chat. That's what we are. The drawdown monsters. We love it. We're comfortable here, chat. I barely have drawdown, to be honest. The past two trades, we've hit drawdown, but most of the trades we take, we barely get drawdown. How much do you risk on 150k? 1%. Well, actually, I'm risking 1.3k here, so 0.8%, something like that. 0.9%, whatever, around 1%, let's call it. What do you think news will do? Oh, yeah, chat. Well, let's do that when we get closer to the time, because I want to get out of this position. No, not really, not really. But I'd like to be in profit before news so we can at least go BE. That'd be really nice. CPI's impact on gold is tricky. Chat, what do you guys think? Is anyone a little... What's the best prop firm right now? Honestly, I'll give you two options. Apex, if you want scalability, is the best prop firm by far. You can trade 20 300k accounts for a total of 6 million in funding. Or if you want a Forex prop, the best, most reliable, and most affordable is ACG, right? So I have got codes for both of them. I am affiliated, but genuinely, those are the two that I trade because I think they're the best. So there's the two. Code TRLS at Apex and code SG at Alpha Capital, right? Gonna get you the best discounts. I think we'll move in both directions, but not a big move. Yeah, maybe. Chat, I might hold it through news, to be honest. I've never really held a trade through news, but I don't have much to lose here. Chat, I'll be back in 1 sec. $1 billion, chat. Oh, we're ripping down. What the fuck? No. I thought you weren't allowed to trade through news. Depends what prop you're on. Some allow it, some don't, right? What are we expecting with the news? No clue. Could go up, could go down. We might be out before news, chat, though. Or is this the mega liquidity for us to rip back up? Maybe not. Chat, we might not even have to deal with news. We might be stopped out before that. Oh my god, 100 pips. You in a trade? Nah. I'm not in a trade. This is just like, there's P&L on the screen and my profit markers on the screen, but nah. Danny, I'm not. Chat, I could just tell you guys I'm not in this trade, and then I don't have to count it as a loss, right? This would honestly be the first real loss I've had in fucking ages. Chat, we're probably due a loss, I can't lie. There's news, I know, High Life, I know. I need to close. If you need to close it, my friend. I just see liquidity right now. But again, we have news in 8 minutes, chat. Couldn't see it? It's all right, bro. I'm joking. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Can you trade through on Apex? No, I don't think so. CPI in 8 minutes? Yes. Chat, if you guys want to close before news, feel free to do that, right? Feel free to close before news. I'm probably going to hold through. But the only reason I'm doing it is because I'm on a prop firm account. Doesn't really mean much to me. If this was my live account, I would be out, right? Before news. Hi, bro, from Switzerland. What's good? Elia, how's it going? I like Switzerland. Nice place. ACG, you can't trade through news. But as long as it doesn't hit your TP, right? You can stay through, you can hold through news. But as long as you don't close the position during the, or like 2 minutes after the news, you can be fine. But again, no risk, no Rari. Chat, that's not the mindset we're going for here. All right, 777, crazy. Chat, we've grabbed no liquidity from above, right? In my opinion, we would need to grab liquidity from above. If this hourly flips, chat, you're going to go to the fucking moon, right? Starting to reject here as well, hopefully. If this 5 flips, if you can break the highs after this 5 flip, you're going to be in a very nice position, chat. The 1 minute structure, I'm not going to lie, chat, is not the best. The higher time frame structure is decent, though. If it hits stops, chat, it hits stops. So be it, right? So be it. I will still keep trading, I think, until like 2:30. I'm not going to end stream if we take an L. We'll just keep we'll keep seeing, like, waiting for opportunities. I haven't taken a loss genuinely in like months. So again, I don't really care what happens here. But chat, there's news. Yo, chat, stop telling me there's news. I know there's news. Yo, it's actually going to stop us out before news even comes in, maybe. Crazy work. I don't know why you'd grab that much liquidity on the hourly and then still rip down. That makes zero sense to me, chat, to be honest. Remember, this trade is like 100% valid, right? So even if you hit stops here, the trade was valid. Is there any news to chat? Even if this trade hit stops, chat, I would take the same trade again tomorrow morning. It was so valid, so clean. It's just one of those things. Sometimes, chat, you take an L. And we haven't even took an L yet. So let's see. But chat, it's one of them ones. Like, you know for a fact, even if you have an 80% win rate strategy, some of those is going to be L. Are you in shorts? No, we're in buys. We're in drawdown right now. What do you mean even during challenge accounts? I think during challenge accounts, they don't care too much. Boxes invest? No way. Chat, I got some new shorts. Look how sick these are. Wait. The floral shorts right here. Wait. Woo. Whoa. Whoa. I'm not trying to back it up on cam. You holding for news? Yeah, probably. Burberry Bill, what's good, brother? Welcome to the chat. Oh, shit. Another 5, no bottom wick. But you did break the lows here, chat. We might be out here. We might get taken out here. 5 minutes till CPI. We got new shorts before GA6, 100%. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. Drop a like. How are we on 130 viewers and only 50 likes? Come on, man. Drop a blood clot like. Listen, though, man. So you started the series where you teach your girlfriend trading. It's pretty nice. Speon, the next video is going to come out today. The next video of that series is going to come out today. 50 likes and SG will do a foot reveal? No chance. Or maybe. I mean, maybe, chat. Maybe. The only way to find out is if you get us to 50 likes, right? The question is here, chat. Do we close out at a minus 0.5% before news, or do we hold it through? What if this is just a mega liquidity before news, chat, and we hit TP? You know? Who knows? We also might get wicked out. That's the problem. Chat, if I was you, right? If you want to hold this through, if you don't care about the funder, then you can hold it through. If you want to manage risk and you really care about the account you're trading on, or if you're on a live account, make sure you fucking just manage risk, right? Close out at a small loss, whatever it may be. Because, chat, to be honest, it's not smart to hold through news. 100% it's not. This low should be safe. If you break the low, you should continue further down. Chat, you grabbed so much liquidity and then closed respecting. It's crazy to me that we are actually... SGT in drawdown again? Who's the SGT? No, yeah, I'm in drawdown. I'm in drawdown. Tell me a trader that's never in drawdown. Also, what do you mean again? We took drawdown yesterday, but we closed break even. And in the past month, I've not had a single loss. So, Rastafari. Ain't no way this guy is always in drawdown when I join stream. Crazy work to be on, crazy. Did not have any range to the upside in 30 minutes and 50. Bro, it had so much range. Had 33 on FX to get tapped today. Okay, fair. Chat, this was a perfect sky dweller for me. The fact it's not playing out doesn't mean it's a bad trade. I would take the trade again, like I said. If you took the trade, man. Yeah, man. Just watch your day in the life video. Never knew you were in Germany. Wait, that's an old video. You watched the day in the life in Germany? Yeah, my girl's German, bro. So I've been to Germany a lot. Look proper naughty. Crazy. Crazy, Jay. Cooked? Yeah, we might be cooked here, chat. But guess what? I'm appropriately risked. If it hits, then it hits, right? If it stops, it hits. So be it. Couldn't care less. 2 minutes till news, chat. Be careful. SG didn't go to visit the Autobahn. You have to come to Germany again for it? Yeah, I should, bro. I should rent a nice little Porsche and just go hit the Autobahn. Lower time frame tries to create bullish structure, but higher time frame still bearish. Yeah, I know. Oh, might be saved by news. We'll see, man. We'll see. Chat, I tell you what, if we come into profit during news, I'll move my stops to break even, like almost immediately. That's the plan. Or do we close out right now? This never going in profit, brothers cooked. Okay, man. Close out then. Like, if you're not in it, then fair play. Bro, chat, you guys manage the trades exactly how you want to manage them, right? It's all down to... You're going to hold till news? I think I'm going to hold through CPI, yeah. You've only got a minute left. If we hit stops, we hit stops. So be it. Is that news today? Luke, bro. Oh, chat. 46 seconds. This is crazy. I'm kind of only doing this for the entertainment factor. I can't lie, chat. If you want to manage your positions, you're in a small drawdown right now. Now is not the time to be... You can come in if you want. Come in. Are you holding it? Yeah, CPI in 28 seconds.
Oh god, I'm holding this.
Come in. Right.
1000% hold this.
We're gonna chat. Watch us just get cooked. Is that Tom? Yeah. 15 seconds, chat. Honestly, if we go to... I'm gonna move my stops to like break even immediately. You tense? Not really. It's quite funny though.
Content at the end of the day.
We have to react like crazy if we hit stops. All right, chat. CPI here shortly. No. Oh, bro. The Wixor of dreams. Holy shit. Right, chat. Stops to break even on this one. And I'm out. I'm out of this bitch. Suck it. Suck my cock, chat. Woo! Gambler traders right here. No, I'm joking. Yo, who said in chat it is never going back to profit? Who said that, man? All the haters being like, this trade's cooked. Get smoked. Get smoked. That is the most degen thing I've ever done in my life.
Holy shit.
No way, bro. Chat, that is fucking hilarious. When we came down first, I was like, we are cooked. We made...
What is it? How much did you
You made it. You're number one.
Mate, that is fucked.
Look at this closure. What do you mean? Where did I close?
No,
I closed like near the top, bro.
This is not financial advice.
760, 0.5% chat. That is honestly degenerate gambling. That is so lucky. Never do that again. The only reason I did this was because it was on a funded. Never, ever, ever do that again, chat. Honestly, chat. Whoever said this is not going to profit, suck my balls.
Yeah, fuck you.
Not financial advice. Don't do this. But also, TRLS is the best trading community in the world. I'm better than your favorite trader. I knew it, chat. My intuition, I have the intuition, chat. I actually am Neo of the markets.
That's the Tom play right there.
This is not how to trade, but great finish. Yeah, JJ's right, chat. Yo, listen, chat. Honestly, if you're new to the streams, This is so unlike us. We don't do this. The only reason I did it is because, fuck it, content, right? And it was a funded I don't care about. But never trade like that ever again. I promise you, we never do that. I will never do that on stream again. We got lucky. And yeah, I was exactly like Ray said. I was willing to lose that funded. No, it wasn't even lose the funded. I was willing to lose the trade because it's on a funded I don't care about, right? But if that was real money, there's no way I would have done it. If that was my live broker account, there is a 0% chance I would have done it. But chat, that being said, we just hit a banger. Drop a like and subscribe. Fucking crazy work. CPI said, how did it even come out? Subscribe to the channel if you're new, chat. There's 140 of you in here and only 50 likes. Why are we not on 100 likes right now? Another trade? No. Maybe, I mean, we'll see, but we'll see. It came out, okay, yeah, so the US government saved our ass. They ask him what he'd do if we didn't win. I guess we'll never know. Wait, I really wanted to play that. You know that? You made it. You're number 1. Apex cancel my order, but I'll take it after the drawdown. Yeah, Gareth, good stuff, man. GG's. Positive for gold? Yeah, it might rip through, to be honest, but look at that closure, chat. I'll take it. I just saw... Wait, check Discord. Why? Whereabouts in the Discord, Bedge? Oh my days, Mr. Bedge, look at that, making 4 bandos. 4 bandos. Vape in hand? Nah, it's a lighter. It's not a vape. I would never vape. I full ported, made 9 figs easy. Chat. Fucking W's. Didn't take the trade, but this was comedy. I can't lie, chat. I did it purely for the content. Like, purely for the content. Holy skibs, man. I've never, ever done that before in my life, and I will never do it again, ever. That is cooked. That is honestly cooked. This was pure content only. I told you guys to close before. Fiend stick? Bro, it's a cigarette lighter. Or no, a regular lighter. I don't smoke either. You gonna do double or nothing in NY? No. Bravissimo? Hey. Thank you, JJ, brother. Chat. That was one of the best streams I've done in a while. Made 15 bucks. Nice. That is fucking hilarious. I was like, quick, close. Saying holy skibs and not clarifying satire is crazy. Holy skibs is coming to my vocabulary now for real. What a fucking trade, chat. Drop a like on the stream. Why the fuck have you... Bro was tweaking? When was I tweaking? Swoo! Imagine we got the peak, though. Holy shit. It's actually in the vocab, second nature. Yeah, trust me. All right, chat. Well, I guess that's the stream. I told you guys I wanted to be done for the day. That is a clip and a half. If I've ever seen a clip, that is a clip. Listen, let's play the GeoGuessr and call it a day, chat. If you haven't already, make sure you go watch the vlog. If you're new to the stream, make sure you join the Discord as well. It's completely free. Free value, free education, free OF. The adrenaline rush is killing me. I can't lie. I might be a gambling addict now. This is the downfall of TRLS. Now I'm joking. Number 1 clip farmer, I'm telling you. Chat, I have started clip farming like crazy. I can't lie. I was definitely farming a clip there. I'm going to post that all over social media, and I'm going to get so much hate, and it's going to boost the fucking views, and then I'm going to go viral. Bro, that was kind of crazy. I couldn't even close the position on FX. Oh, shit, yeah. Spread probably went crazy, no? That is insane, chat. Honestly, devious work. What pips was it? Oh, yeah, shit. I need to add that to the trades taken. Wait. We closed at... Wait, why can't I leave it on the screen? We closed at 3,400 exactly, which is here. 60 pips. 60 pips. Chat, I don't lose. I actually do not lose. Like, I genuinely... Have I ever lost, chat? What do you think will happen with gold? I don't know. I don't give a fuck. I'm joking. I mean, a lot could happen. Right now, you're just ranging. You need to wait for more direction. Stream record, 86 wins on stream, chat. Small hats still the stream. I'm making friends with the small hats. I'm going to the casino tonight, and I'm talking to them all, and I'm telling them, manipulate the market in my favor, please. You might rip down here, though, chat. So, as minimum, you should have been break even there, right? Minimum. If you didn't close after that push, minimum, you should have been break even. But yeah, chat. Let's play the GeoGuessr. Chat today was a red card. No, chat today was a fat W. That was one of the most fun streams I've done in a long time, honestly. All right. I clipped that as well. Oh, what a fucking shit show, chat, honestly. What? LU? Where's LU? Luxembourg? Where is Luxembourg? Am I tripping? Oh, yeah. Ah! How's it with Tom? Did he touch you? No, he didn't touch me yet. Pause. Wait, there was news? Ah, Luke. Great banter. It really is. That's an old one. No, bro, he arrived last night. I was about to say came last night, but that would have been brazy work. But yeah, we haven't really done much. Probably go hit the gym after this, and then I don't know, bro. But we're gonna make a vlog for sure. Where is this? What, San Jose? Oh shit, that's California. Where's California? Here? Yes! On the hub, crazy. I know where San Jose is. I can't lie, I was sweating before that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sweating. Devious work. Afgri. Where are you from, chat? I mean, not chat, cars. Where is this? GG on the trade? GG, Blizzy, man. Good to see you, brother. Chat, I don't know where this is. South Africa? It's always a classic. Oh! Oh, I'm cooking you guys at GeoGuessr as well, man. Look at this. I'm taking a commanding lead. Triz is on my ass, though. Pause. Oh, I know this. Oh, no, I don't. Is this? Where is this? Like Poland, Romania, somewhere like this? I don't know where this is, chat. Do not pause. Fuck, I was going to put Romania, which would have been closer, but Serbia's okay. Oh, chat, one round in it. What's the... Oh, okay. I've got some room on Triz here. You actually choked, Triz. You choked. You choked. Maybe not. I might get cooked here. I hate these ones. I hate South Americans. No. The South American ones on GeoGuessr. Whoa. Do not clip that. It's not what I meant. I actually didn't even mean to say that. Right. Did you beat me? Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay. Fucking hell. Chat. Survived the clip right there. No one clipped that, which is good. Listen, I'll take a first on that. W trade. No, Dylan. No clipping that, surely. Listen, man. I'm not going to lie. We got a bit lucky, but sometimes, chat, you need a bit of luck. Sometimes that's how life goes. Miss whole stream and got a trading news. Crazy. I know, yeah. Honestly, chat. Sometimes you get a bit lucky. It is what it is. We were very close to stops. How close were we? We were like 25 pips away. We survived and got a decent bit of profit there, chat. So listen, congratulations if you took it. That is it from me today. I'll be back same time tomorrow, 12:30 p.m. UK time. Other than that, chat, if you're trading the rest of the day, make sure you trade carefully. We are in a range right now, so probably avoid trading within this range. And chat, other than that, listen, man, much love. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Holy shit.